Hello, Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with the latest accessible everyman's timepiece from the ever-prolific Christopher Ward, the C63 Sealander. Christopher Ward's release schedule seems unstoppable. Every couple of months there's some cool new addition to their range, whether it's slathered in loom, covered by translucent sapphire, or a colourful retro throwback. You could say there's a watch for everyone. Now though, the accessible watchmaker has released what they consider the watch for everyone, the C63 Sealander. You can trust Christopher Ward to exploit any hole in the market, and with Rolex's lackluster celebration of 50 years of the Explorer too, it's not hard to imagine what the British brand is going for here. There are two main watches in the collection, the first being the vanilla Sealander Automatic. It's 39mm of stainless steel and comes in black or white with various strap options. It's honestly pretty basic, but handsome all the same, especially in the white version we have here. It really is the everyman's watch, and there's not really an occasion it would look out of place. At the same time, or perhaps because of that, it just doesn't grab me. It's meant to be that fine balance of elegance and utilitarianism that made the Explorer so famous, and it does have some of that going for it with the lovely light catcher case and its perfectly proportioned lugs, just not enough to keep my attention. That though might be a bit of a moot point, as it's hard to argue with the price. Equipped with the Sealander SW201 caliber, a workhorse if ever there was one, it's solid, versatile, and has the kind of precision finishing that you generally don't find in watches under £1,000. The Sealander Automatic is just £595, or $700 on a bracelet. Then there's the Sealander GMT, which is even more impressive both for value and sheer style. The similarities to the Explorer 2 are even more obvious here with its fixed 24-hour bezel. Honestly, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Christopher Ward has pretty much made their name undercutting classic designs, and it's pitch perfect for them. Again, the dial is available in black and white, the latter of which we have here, complete with orange highlights on both the hour markers and centre seconds and GMT hands. The original idea behind the fixed bezel was so you can tell the time of day via the 24-hour hand, even if you're stuck in an Arctic cave. In this instance, however, the Sealander SW332 GMT movement lets you set the 24-hour hand separately, allowing this version of the Sealander to double as a traveller's watch too. It also has a 50-hour power reserve, again slightly above what you'd expect at this price point. My only real qualm about it is the date window. It's actually slightly to the left of the 6 o'clock mark, which brings out the OCD itch at the back of my brain. That's down to the movement used, of course, but it's still a touch frustrating. Besides that, the Sealander GMT is certainly handsome, although it's perhaps a little chunkier than I'd like. For a watch designed for all occasions, the dimensions come across sporty more than anything. Still, it's a reassuring weight of metal and definitely a more interesting watch than the basic Sealander Automatic, despite or perhaps because of its slightly obvious inspirations. Then, once again, there's the price. The bracelet version is £900, a solid £200 above that of the entry-level Sealander. Honestly though, that's money well spent. Sure, the GMT may wear its inspiration on its sleeve, but that's led to a great looking watch, and it's not like you'd go to Christopher Ward for prestige anyway. I still don't think that Christopher Ward has somehow, against all odds, created the ultimate watch for every occasion, the only watch any man will ever need. They have, however, built a seriously competitive all-rounder that looks and feels like it's hitting well above its price tag, and that is more than enough. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which of the Sealanders would be your go-to everyday timepiece. No prizes for guessing mine.